Each sword has a story to tell. But there is one that is especially woven into the threads of time, where every detail is not just a design. It's a direct connection to the past. This is not just the old presentation broadsword. This sword carries within a part of the history of our nation, a part of the legacy of George Washington, the first president of the United States, a man who fought for freedom, for independence, and for the future. When we started this project, we didn't just want to make a sword. We wanted to capture something more, the very soul of what it means to be a leader, to be a hero. Every curve, every line, every small detail was thought through with a purpose. And we didn't just design it on a computer. We felt it in every stroke. This wasn't just a simple drawing. It was the spirit of Washington taking shape. Every part was designed so that whoever held it could feel its story in the palm of their hand. And there in that machine, we saw how the design turned into something real. 3D printing was just the first step to bring the sword to life. Watching how an abstract idea became a tangible form was like seeing a dream materialize. But it wasn't just about aesthetics. It was about feeling the precision in every curve, the connection to the past. We knew that to do justice to this sword, we needed a material that could reflect its strength and endurance. We chose 8630 steel, an alloy that not only has strength, but also carries the durability necessary for a sword that defies time. But here it didn't end. The craftsmanship took action. And with every strike, with every adjustment, we felt the sword take its true essence. Every step was important, every cut, every polish. We weren't just creating a sword. We were recreating a piece of history, one forged with the same precision with which Washington fought for his nation. With each adjustment, we got closer to its true form. It wasn't just an object, but a symbol of struggle and determination, forged with the same spirit in which it was once wielded. A sword is not complete without its details. And here with the engraving, each symbol, each line gave it not just character, but a visual narrative. They were the traces of Washington, of the revolution, of what this instrument of power represented. It wasn't just a sword. It was a tribute to a time of struggles and victories. It wasn't just about aesthetics. For this sword to be what it had to be, we went through rigorous tests. Impact, tension, hardness. Every test was another step to ensure this sword wasn't just a collector's item, but a living piece, capable of withstanding whatever time could throw at it. And like Washington, this sword had to be strong. In the end, what we have is a sword that is not just a work of art, but a legacy. Every line, every form, every decision made during its creation has a purpose. And when you hold it, you don't just feel the weight of the steel. You feel the weight of history itself. Just like the hero who once wielded a similar sword. The old presentation broadsword is a part of you. You know you've been part of something greater, something eternal. This is not just a sword. It is a connection, one that endures. Because a sword is not just a tool. It is a story that now belongs to you.